Today on AFOL TV, we're building a micro garbage truck. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. This week we're doing an exciting build. It's the Lego micro garbage truck. If you've seen us on Instagram, you've probably seen this posted a couple times, as well as the instructions on our website, afolstore.com. Our Instagram handle is afol.tv. But we figured it'd be great to do a YouTube tutorial for this one. If you haven't already, on our website, we also offer instructions for a lot of the stuff behind me here in the Lego Micro City, as well as new Lego minifigure scale offerings as well. It's been really exciting to see everybody's reaction to all of that. And if you don't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We really appreciate everybody's support. We're trying to grow, and all the feedback and support you guys have been throwing our way is much appreciated. So as mentioned, we're doing this Lego micro garbage truck, and what's cool about this is it actually has an arm to lift the little trash cans up, as you can see. These are just a one stud brick with a plate on the end, so super easy to make these little guys. For the truck itself, it's a little bit more challenging than some of our other builds, but we're going to walk you through it. We're actually going to build it in two parts because it comes apart here. So we're going to build the cab first and then the truck body second. And without further ado, go ahead and pause the video because these are the parts and pieces you'll need, and then come on back because we're going to start building. All right, guys, hopefully that wasn't too hard for you. Now it's the back portion, which is a little bit more tricky. So taking off the front, here's what we're looking at. And go ahead and pause the video because these are the parts and pieces you're gonna need. And then come on back because it's time to start building this part. Well, guys, hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, and share. It would really help us out, and we really appreciate everybody that's done so far. Also, as mentioned before, feel free to check us out online at afolstore.com to build a lot of the stuff you see behind you here. And then we have instructions for those as well as minifigure size stuff. And you can follow us on Instagram at afol.tv and TikTok at afol.tv as well. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next week.